akwa by so eba African media so mo amunim say wo African media so no social issues ene afen so amanfo mu aware nsem ene relationship issues ene discuss e wo halum say so be kan yansa dia kan hu say so wo relationship problem bi e hu solution ni na aha ana ubenya no e wo umpese sa solution be pa wo no no we mia e subscription button no we mia notification button no so aka wo say dada ye post e video bi e wo ye channel yi so a wo so benya bi e no wetimi enya efotu ensem e dia resolve e ye wo problems e wo fie na adofo wo enensem no tesensem no de edos pa eye ene de nia be pie mu ene se abayu na wanya 18 years old odwane fifie for 11 good years na nebusuafo ehwehwe na omu ehunu enwo wiechi na after 11 good years no ana omu hu say abayu no ete eye ne kanchima bi efie from the kanchima ni fie ko eye ni parents ni fie just 10 meters to anso na ebusuafo entimi enwo say abayu no ehwe ho na eside na abayu no timi tina wa ekopem say 11 good years no mantimi ehunu te say ye twem abayu no anadwo ana opie fifie na edu anopa dia be ma na se do be ku adwumam no ayi no atoto drinks any aduane any bibia na ode ama eye abayiwa no se na abayiwa no she ehia no for 11 good years and dey abayiwa 29 na we be say aden ana abayiwa ni aduane fifie ni nyina na se ebusua na se omo any eye abrantie no omo religion no ehia inti omo timi emakwan ema abayiwa no endeti eye ne kanchoma no enunti ano na omo prevent abayiwa na say ehye abayiwa ne egufo odo ni odo timi ye odwane ya wakokopie eye abrantie no ho adofo ensem ni details ni na beba eche mama binche mo kakra mba ye ba ya domu suko ebusuafo asem wodie menkwa mitimi enka ho asem enu nti me invite eye ya enimba Bruce abahanu say ono ana onim say de bia na ono do take here from the layman's perspective to the highest level I on my end to say any layman na mum on my te ensem bi as enu nti na mafa no abaha Papa Ben Bruce we dey akwaba
yeah
we dey bibia bokodi
yeah you cram the name
ye da nyankopon ase na abayu any ye or ye for 18 for 11 good years na so no ye 18 years old ano free eye ma mi fie ekọ eye ne kanchima no ene ye ka difference no ko na eye mo no pretty ne boyfriend wo ekọ eye ne ma me no no fine wo so to meet shedan no for 11 good years na ma ne twina 11 good years on worry ni na eye awofo no effort but me blame awofo no for that
me that's it me share with you for so a friend is when it comes to choices in life we are on the choice maybe I say or choice in your choice. But assembly more rem kakra. 11 years, you know, the parents some police station and police for the investigations and now 1 year. 11 years is too long. And 11 days so, but 11 years is too long, say, Obaba Ira. It's normal for so who are not saying. And now say what was really happening. And if you're not a branch in the team, no be anti would be. And I mean what? Obi and you also be team be about miss no there's something going on in the house and be shame Obi be curious ni mama and papa na even neighbors no tin some no how was it if you know nkwa no team for 11 years no is it self-contained or team and say your normal houses be even self-contained cry na say Obi dware no be for dware na wa but was if then I said 2 people na so you be curious. Iti Mosati stone throw no. Yes, you be by rano. You be curious for why am not shed them pie because I come for grabber. Iti and some no more rem kakra. But me so me there say yes here I want for you my but et everyone any na it medium you say our rare go beyond racial boundaries, cultural boundaries, religious boundaries. Yes. Enti say o ba na osi we na me pen. Na what can no see on no pen na. Medium nyanka jam because we crowd we like so kwa share o. E bi mitimi ku omo. So many things. Enti I want they should have I need listen to the girl adenti na open guy we and a guy is one na open me ba no obi o ho a do o free the other side of of your religion but obetimi am tangible reason person no we no odo emodu. What if okoware was sorry ni na komuni na omo treating na will you be happy? It is sometimes you chinchine dodo and then na person worry we ni me person about try but obi o fear there be na me dey say amen. We've passed that stage. Oh, nipa bi nipa. What I say once odo ewom a metimi ahwe oba no na oba no so metimi ani ampema no. Ja ye pema ani enware. Ye kwana enye ya so se meka kire wo. Weni wenti na meka mane kamani e kamani a but enforce me we sakra e hyem kutupa se me so me ye dia se me ye tikara ma oka no.
Nkola no so de wan hu se sad na wo mumu pa o try so be stop your man they always want to prove you wrong you know and then am so ye man nyama bi say na ye hwe ye mbie nkomoni mu kakra omo a we ye for religion but ye odu wan so omo ye racial kakra me wo ethnic group we nti no pese me ba no so ebe yeah and e bi wan so omo de certain past of this particular ethnic group no ejeji obi a enu nti no akola no ekope obi na se bia make say me asantini na me ba ekopa igbeni a because of nia igbeni bi e de ye me wo fa bi ana me na bi na ya count mutuma say ye mu bia ware igbeni for ni no me kwa me wo me mana se me ba ko share igbeni a me se la me ma ne kwan e ma ne ware igbeni sa ni mo wi na umu se e ha dwen e wo aye nkola ne life mu different choices that they end up making emu
even psychological but enye tribal cry na say we mama catch your story make I say me koye girl achepa na mware koye girl on the line na my line ye dwi no say please what's your name na msi oben na girl no say delete my number fm biem who me hey I'm so edin no what's we dating for 43 na omu na ben na the same line of the jai na msi we mama mbod bidin back see oh Bruce cause no can assassin last one not the Bruce oh but you know what I keep on saying is that and judge obi by race whatever judge the person in me who until you prove me wrong no I always say you are good that is how we and you say obi past oh try way there on pesca try way there on my German for say try obi have my German it's try ben and individual basis. They be American. Sometimes crash a background of you buy no. A single parents not to nance. Say it to Akolano. A sorry bear no call. Nina count it, but and judging because of tribe or if you fear, number fear. You might be wrong because you feel fear you are bob grass in your fear mountain. Now so dear when you break na where they money worry. We are son or take can say no qua. The way ni psychologically grano o akola no minim instances are obi etie ne maami o se ne papa no akọ ni pa na afi di odo ni ni na afi o wife na afi o ne ex no still atwen na because odo no ni ho enti be ma ne kra e ba efi adwuma ba o de no ba be kana na se meniem hihye no because odo ni ho oh why ya ati akola no o wa worry be na ninje is that what we want for our kids allow the akola no what's we no pa cancel no or sisa no pa cheno no uncle yeah
say it's food to earth at 20
that is so
or family
man so kakra or so kakra na bi owu say say na ma me kan yampa ebi so be kono na so ebi so okra okwa abrante ne ye ebe sisa wo parents no about that particular tribe or religion because if you're not branching you so oh now for some na munyo ba wo de next time bibi ni abeka so say na enye obia ba individuals that is why nipa kasa sana esa judge nipa individually en kasa wona na bi bibi na bi na enye nipa no what they say bia ne na no esuban ya woni mu but ono no so through experiences no ono so musuban bebre ma ye nhia kwala no say this is what I want you to do allow the kid to flow. Oh, go beyond way. Our baby, our I said, almost of because them man no anything no, and no ban no, and the choice.
Yes.
What I said, you'll be begging damn be maybe or say or then that is one moment such a grandson or another. I mean, what is this? Oh, because omo pia no royal family na ye dey royal na ye dey royal ne kra na egu no Princess Diana no nyina omo oye egu enti ja akola no no ntimi nware ne openo no ontimi so ne mu na fa Bible time machi obeye na ye and this na we dey na we dey o ya me obi kra timi mi wo esi me yes wawu na akọ mi si wa yes e na me
I for where dear akwapo ye our nsem ntimi pese me biem komon kakra bi ansa ye de nsem ni na esi nti mo ma me kwan kakra mesra mo mpapa bembru asem bi a wo kan na mama kan se obi na be ma no ne side no ne papa ene ne mama eja aware omusua osakura da wo hwe be ma ne tua aware jaye no e wo ho pa ne aunties omejejai omokoba man dodo na wo mu ne kwan anware omo but omo ne be ma timitina omo wu wi a na afede omejai aware no nti abema ne kwa so kwa ware eye oba onyi oba so kwa ware no won say ye na busua ne eye nhwehwemu obi afa we ya na akwohwehwe mu so nti oba ne busua ne be hwehwe be ma ne busua no hu side we no eno mo advice omo ba ne say nya de omo ma oba no akomoda because say baby abema na atwi aware 8 minutes na na say eye honhoma de na edi omo esisa nti no o ma ne ba ne enkomu no so no is it a possibility say so obane eku rabi bisa mo a obejai aware can we use that to really conclude it
50-50 my dear the bia me say misfortune be craft me ma ultimate position no you we say fine or ya branch won say stay in person na bible for all you know no wa fa be craft spiritually no wa kele side off
indeed
what they say and na say be craft a man on feel no omunim kasa but ono so hu say no nti wasua kasa it na make us say enjudge situation bi emfa ntare obi so what they say ubetimi akosho mba no ye hwe mu no say na ti o na wo pe wo se pen wo pe de a me ade ba ko am papa no ti aso de opo ba wo say oh we na wo so pe wo say o ko ware e bedi wachi ba ko ko je obi andi wachi until you are responsible for your actions one ma akwala ne choices wo say eno na me pe oh abusia say rom ti wo say eno na pe ja no and case because of the wo ye hindrance a oba no betimi atan or time wa and the implications be remember for all you know kokwa na ipa ne kwante sa na wo awani ewu ka kire no kre no e ja ne akara ma
we die ye de yankomo ni esi eno ano no na ye nhwe eye parent ene omumba komo amutadi ene omu relationship emu eye parents no ene akwala nkasa their relationship and I feel komo omudi efa eye akwala no relationship emu parents bi wo ha enkaka Africa no akwala ne ba no be ka kire se bia manya country ma bi abese me de ebrewo obo na parents be start edi akwala especially o share age na anyway and so who say the akwala is too close to a particular boy no odina them who ne say bia na if they make certain changes e bia na omo draw eye akwala ne ebe omo draw eye that boy na e bia akwala ne interested you know odomu mienu eni ebe omo a there can be certain changes that they can even do and possibly some advice be met me dem akwala na bet me assess omo a the thing na ewo omo adum that mentality say akwala no they may engage in this sex and all those things no there is a possibility say they can even counsel them through it akwala no omo timi enye sade no
no aka ni nyina no sometimes say utimi ehu adwen obi chi ansa na wajaje nipa for all you know cry no na ayogofa no o leading to Christ for all you know adesua bi na o person ni desua it is sometimes say o hwe akola ni twim po say na o kan twene bra ho one ne mo nkomo obi one ne bokon sa akola na adwum dose ni age what you say enti me ba na bi ama me ba na dwen do sa ti say me so me tu me ba no for say na wan hu akola ntwim po na wo de wo yese me stop yo mo ade so kwa adwuma akola na bi ovie okọ school a wonu yoye enti cancel akola no na mo try our best to solve the whole problem instead of kai there be emo
yo epa we de ne de wakasa pa eyi na so asa na be confirm last submission to join ye fa komoni ensia no
our for say mo baba na o say this is what I want support the child if bibi wo ho a won pa catch akola say inti na make say but if that is what you want I'll support you na nkwala no mo nwane fifie ebi mu nko omo because why 11 years masa too much but we accepting na can be for all this time no and why be crap better in life. Don't stop the kids, allow them to flow, just guide them in life. Simple.
Yo, ene die pass a won so wonya efutu nsem efiri eye ye common mo mo so wa twe fa ho na de ato ye comment section mo kama e wo bo ene ni die kwan so uwie so a kan wo se e ba ne nsem fa relationship ho marriage ho and societal issues ni nyina aha ana obenya no e wo on person o message no subscribe wo me notification button no kama na say ye post eye video bi a wo so wonsa atimi akebi na wonya mu futozem e de abo eye obra ada for me me de endensemi ebro me di ene ekwiabroni nipa me ne di nsem no nkomo eye Bruce me de masepa sa mahwe me dase de be sanso ehia makram